On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to fly out to pick up the new project car. I hope it's not a scam because I've bought the car online and I just have to pick up the car from a parking lot. Everything was done online. Like I've said, I hope it's not a scam. So let's pick up the new project car. And I'm here. I've landed where the new car is, where the new project car is. I received the key from somebody, and as you can see, nobody on the street. Let's see if this is a scam or not. Let's hope not, because I have a few hundred meters or a few meters in front of me in a parking lot, and there should be the car. I have a location for the car. I have the key. And let's hope I have a ticket, because I need a ticket to drive out from the parking lot. And let's see how sketchy this drive will be, because the car had an accident and it said run and drive. I have a few hundred kilometers till I get home. Let's see how sketchy this drive will be. Oh my god, it's too dark in here. I'm gonna update when I'm at the car. And right up in there is the parking lot. Oh my god, it's kind of sketchy. Nobody on the street. See that? That's the airport where I've landed. I met with the guy in there and he drove off. So, like I said, the parking lot is in there. Let's find the car and let's hope everything is fine. So, let's hope we can find the car somewhere in here, because we have all the cars parked everywhere. Let's find our car. The location said it's somewhere in there on the left side. Yep. Oh, I didn't show you the key. This is the key. BMW, of course. No M, nothing, but let's see what we have. I think I found it. This should be our car, but no accident. Okay, let's see. Let's see first if this one is the car. Yes, okay. Straight on the other side, straight on this side. Oh yeah, no grill, the hood. Okay. Do we have air in the tires? We have. Okay. Oops, we have a big gap in here. Okay, okay, let me put my stuff in the back and let's see if we find the ticket to drive out, and let's hope that the car drives enough to reach home. Oh, by the way, see that we have an X5 X-Drive 4-liter diesel engine. This is a 2018 model. Yep. In the car we have some stuff in here. Oh, we have the parking ticket. I hope we can drive outside with this one. Let's see if the car will start. Yep. do we have some errors in here? No error whatsoever. 151,000 kilometers, 3 degrees outside, cold. We have some gas, that's perfect. The headlights work, that's perfect as well. So I'm going to drive home. Oh, we have ambient lights, nice. We have a few stuff in here. Normal steering wheel. I'm going to set the navigation and I'm going to drive home, and I'm gonna update you on the road. Maybe, I'm not really sure because I have no battery on my phone, and I hope I have the charger with me. So let's drive out from here first. Let's see if we can go outside. Perfect, nice. For now everything is fine. Drives normal. Yep. Whoops. I have to park somewhere to set my seat, and we go from there. And this is the next day. I know I didn't film anything on the road because, like a dumb person, I didn't have the cable to charge my phone, and my phone was dead for 4 hours, I think. I had the power bank, but I didn't have any cable. So yeah, I didn't thought of everything. Either way, I've reached home last night very late, and now I just want to check the car to see what we have in here, and let me show you what we have. In front of us we have a BMW X5 2018. This is, I'm not really sure, facelift model or not. Like I said, I'm not really sure. This is the base model, not M package, not M performance, nothing. It's an X-Drive 4-liter diesel engine, and as you can saw from the front of the car had a small accident, and we have to check what's wrong with the car. The front bumper is completely smashed, the grills are missing, this headlight is broken, and it's a shame because works, but and it's expensive to replace. Basic wheels we have. All the plastic in the wheel arch are okay, and this side has no scratch, nothing. This one as well is in perfect shape, but on this side we have like a scratch from side to side, from start to end. I think from here somewhere we have a line that goes till here. This one is plastic, but we have to replace that and paint. And the hood is smashed, I'm not sure if I've told you, and we have some bad gaps in here. We have a big dent in here in the hood, and this is aluminum. I'm not really sure if we can fix this. Maybe the hinges are bent as well. All the plastic behind the front bumper are smashed, of course. The fog lights, yep, this one as well. But I drove the car for 4 hours without any kind of problem. No no warning lights, nothing. No airbag had deployed. I didn't even check the car because it was so late, and I was so scared because I was landed in an area where everything was off, nobody on the streets, and I just received the key and said the car is in that parking lot, you can drive off, and that's about it. Oh, I'm not really sure if I've told you that mirror is busted as well. It's working, but all the plastics are broken. Everything seems to be just fine, but I've noticed something on the road. What I've noticed on the road is that the car shakes. So something is bent or broken from underneath. It's nothing broken because drives normal, but between 80 and 120 the whole car shakes. You can feel it in the car, and so optic I didn't saw anything, so we have to put the car on inspection pit to check that. And I've noticed that the brakes rotors are warped, because every time I press the brake the whole car shakes as well. In here we have two separate problems: shakes when you drive and shakes when you brake. So this, I'm pretty sure these are two separate problems. Either way, we are going to check that all of that in the next episode, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to rebuild the whole front of the car or the whole car, because I've had a look on the parts. It's like 8 to 10,000 euros. Yeah, because of that headlight is like 2-3,000 euros. The whole bumper is like 1,500 euros, and the plastic behind that and the fog lights and stuff like that are like another few hundred euros, or maybe more, because just the radiator support is like 700 euros. And we have to fix something mechanical, like underneath. Like I said, the car shakes, and I think we are going to start with the mechanical part. We can fix that. We have to know that the car drives perfect and brakes perfect, and if I will have a good deal, I'm going to sell it. And maybe you know why, because I cannot do paint repair or metal repair, and sadly in my area I don't have any normal shop, to say like this, because everything is like super expensive here in Germany. If I want to paint all the front end, I'm going to pay 3,000 euros or more. So yeah, maybe we are going to fix all the mechanical part and we are going to sell it as is. Oh yeah, by the way, the Opel is still here till today. Today in evening somebody will pick that car up, and that will be gone. So if you like this episode and you want to see more progress on this one, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.